Everybody should host their websites on virtual private servers. Hey, don't get me wrong, sharing is nice and all, but having full control without your neighbor messing up your stuff, that's an amazing feeling. The problem is that choosing the best VPS hosting without breaking the bank is kind of difficult. Providers promise you the world, but only a few can deliver on those promises. So today I want to talk about my favorite, best, and most affordable VPS providers that I've tested. But before we start, to make your hosting journey even easier, I left my special discount links in the description, or you can just scan the QR code that will appear when we talk about the specific providers. You get a discount, and all it costs is a click of a button, so don't forget those. Okay, so first up is the provider that is ever growing in popularity, Hostinger VPS. Honestly, if you want the most bang for your buck, your search can really just end right here. VPS Hostinger plans pack all the features and tools any beginner or advanced user would need. And what's best, it has no hidden fees, crazy usage limits, or other common pitfalls. It is the safest place to start your VPS journey. Honestly, Hostinger's approach to ease of use is what makes it my top recommended VPS for beginners. You get a clean control panel, one-click OS installations, ready-to-use packages, automatic updates, and even an AI assistant to help you with any questions. Yeah, their VPS hosting is technically unmanaged, which can sound scary, but their tools make it feel really more like a supportive hands-on experience. Now, you get full root access to customize everything, a dedicated IP address, the newest processors, and weekly backups included in all plans. But coming back to that assistant, Cody. So it's not just there to act as your non-human support. If you use it correctly, it can actually run your VPS for you. For example, you want to restart that server, you can go through the dashboard and find the specific option, or you can just ask Cody to do it for you. It's really the best of both worlds. Cheap, unmanaged VPS hosting that feels like an expensive managed one. But is it fast? Absolutely. I don't know how many performance tests that I've run during the years, but Hostinger always delivers excellent speeds and uptime thanks to their Lightspeed web servers and NVMe SSD storage. Yep, they even use the newest tech while offering one of the most affordable VPS options out there. They also have data centers worldwide, so you can deliver fast performance no matter where your audience is. It's a genuinely secure VPS as well, with DDoS protection and malware scanning built straight from the get-go. Basically, it's ready for beginners. Now, the price. Frankly, amazing for what you get. If this sounds like your provider, you can save even more with my discount. Just check the link in the description or scan the QR code to avoid paying the full price. All right, now, what if you're on the opposite end of the spectrum and your budget is tight? Then, hey, say hello to IONOS. This is the best VPS server on a budget. IONOS is my pick for the best unmanaged, cheap VPS hosting on the market, period. They offer plans at prices that are almost too good to be true, but I've tested them and they're legit. They have a $2 a month virtual private server plan. That's it. There's no renewal increase after a year. There's no setup fee. You just pay $2 a month and have your own VPS. Now, I'd buy that for $1 or $2. Now, what's wild to me is the number of features that you get even on their entry-level plans. You get a free wildcard SSL certificate, which some providers charge hundreds of dollars for. There's also backups, instant provisioning, and unlimited traffic. They offer both Linux and Windows VPS, giving you plenty of flexibility since most companies currently focus only on Linux servers. With IONOS, you get full root access, and the control panel is solid, though it might take a little getting used to if you're a complete newcomer. Now, that might be my only gripe with IONOS VPS, and sort of why it's in the second place. The overall controls are clean, but there's a bit of upselling or kind of a weird workflow for no particular reason. Performance is surprisingly great considering the price. They use fast NVMe storage, have a whopping 31 data centers, and offer core security features, including DDoS protection as well as a configurable firewall. Honestly, if you just need a simple and cheap VPS to get your project online, IONOS is the smartest and the cheapest choice. So to grab it at the lowest price possible, you know where to look, the link in the description, or you can scan this QR code. But what if you need just simple and reliable VPS hosting? That's where Bluehost comes in. Bluehost is built for people who are serious about growing their online presence while using WordPress. Whether you're running an e-commerce store, a business website, or a high-traffic blog where speed and reliability directly impact your revenue, Bluehost offers solutions designed to scale with you. They're especially well known for their seamless integration with WordPress, making them a top choice for WordPress users who want performance without unnecessary complexity. And it just might be the most expansive provider when it comes to storage space. I mean, nearly half a terabyte of fast NVMe SSD storage for this price. That's a deal that's hard to beat. If you want more control and stronger performance, their unmanaged VPS plans are among the best in the market. You get dedicated resources, improved performance, enhanced security, and the flexibility to customize your environment to your needs. But even if it costs a bit more, their managed VPS selection is also worth considering, especially if you want WordPress recommended experts to take care of your web project. Now, one thing I really like about Bluehost is how beginner friendly it is while still offering advanced features for experienced users. Their dashboard, super clean, the setup is simple, and support is available 24/7 to help with technical issues. So you can focus on running your business instead of managing servers. Bluehost offers a strong balance of performance, reliability, and ease of use. And if you're ready to get started, you can just check out through the link in the description to see the latest deals and discounts. All right, let's wrap up the best VPS for 2026. Hostinger is the best choice if you are a complete beginner and want the best VPS hosting for the vast majority of simple projects. Go with IONOS if you're on a tight budget or if you're a developer. And finally, Bluehost is for those who need a WordPress-specific VPS with amazing performance and support. Okay, I hope this helped you save some time. The links for the best prices on all three of these are right down in the description. If you found this useful, why not give us a like, subscribe, or even share it with your friends? Every little bit helps us reach new viewers and help them. So thanks for your time. Happy hosting. I'm out.